All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2007 Ford E-350. This is obviously a high top, a handicap bus with wheelchair lift, only 26,000 miles. All lights are working. Boom, boom. Got the side lights. Got your tires are really nice. All your windows open up. Very, very nice. It's got cameras inside. It's got rear. It's got this the air conditioning back there. Super, super nice. Only 26,000 miles. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks very nice. Your front driver's front passenger rim, very nice. Your tire thread looks really good. Let me get my tool. 1 second, guys. All right, I'm back. Your tire thread here is under 730 seconds, above 4. Very nice. As you can see, the doors, boom, looks very nice. It's got the batteries are in here, and it's got some little rusty, some little metal's been sheared off. Probably got a dent there. All right, there's your rear passenger hubcap. And your tire thread is way over 730 seconds, as you can see. Here you got your wheelchair lift. Here with these swing out barn doors. Very nice. There's your lift. Looks nice. Works great. Here's your little buttons here. You touch this stuff and it goes. I can't do it now. I have to go inside and hit the brake. And it has a whole series of how to bring this damn thing down. All right, coming around, you got another little door over here. Let me get my thing here. Here we go. All right, there's your door and what that looks like. Boom, there's that. Very nice. This is what a nice shot of your wheelchair lift from this side, from the inside. All right, got your spare tire. You got your little brackets here to hold your handicaps. Your wheelchairs. And let's close this, boom, like that. Coming around, check out the rear bumper. Looks very nice. See, looks very nice. All right, coming back around. Here's on this side with your gas tank and these windows. Looks good. Here's your rear passenger, rear driver's hubcap. And your tire thread here is, let's see, way over 730 seconds. All right, still looking nice. Front driver's steel wheel, and your tire thread here is under 730 seconds. It looks like under 730 seconds here. All right, got crank up windows. Here's your front driver's seat. It's vinyl seating, very nice. I don't see no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. You got your instrument cluster here, and what that looks like. You don't see any lights on, any issues. And of course, you got your mileage of 26,111. All right, you got some stuff here. You can hear the AC going or the fan going. These are your lights. Put in here. Boom. Very nice. Yeah, step heat, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what that means. All right, you got your AC controls. You got your back AC controls. You got your radio, which actually works. Let's get it cranking here. There. All right, you got your little first aid kit and a fire extinguisher thing there. And of course, this is for your doors. This is a lock. You unlock it and they open up like that. Boom. Very nice. Got your cup holders down here. And that's about it. Very nice. No other issues here that I can tell. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. See running boards as well. Oh, and I didn't show you guys. Check it out. Check it out. And an armrest here. Of course, here you got a video recording device here. Another one here. That's a light for when you open that door. You got your speakers. All right. Got your rear AC. You got another camera back here and one more here. All right. That seems to be about it. Your last row here looks very good. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on this one, and on this side, on this side, and on this side. They all look good. And here you got your recording device stuff. Boom. Just a whole bunch of cables and crap. I don't know. Not sure all that entails. All right. Standing forward of white lines is not permitted while vehicle is in motion. Here's of course your I guess this is for your cameras. There you go. Boom, boom. See, the light turns on, turns off when it closes, on when it opens. Isn't that very nice? Compartment here. These lights turn on down here, and so do they down here. Some people get in. That's about it. Completes the tour, folks. Lights are on, lights on top are working, lights down here are working. All right, folks, once again, this is a 2007 Ford E-350 handicap bus with 26,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.